So first, let me share my screen.
Sorry, Pallavi. Just now I got recording option, so yeah, I started the recording.
Okay.
Yeah, okay, you can go ahead. Yeah.
Yeah, sure. Thank you. Yeah. So can anyone confirm my screen is visible? Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Thanks. So first, we will discuss what is the use of Splunk in MuleSoft and why Splunk tool is used. So what is Splunk? Basically, Splunk is a powerful data analytics and monitoring platform that is used for collecting different types of data, logs, searching, analyzing, machine generated data also, including logs on matrices. So into the performance system and securities and also for operational data. So when integrated with MuleSoft or any Mule API, Splunk serves several valuable purposes. Like here you can see monitoring and alerting, log management, security and compliances. So, what is monitoring and alerting? So, in monitoring and alerting, Splunk allows organization to monitor MuleSoft performance in real time by collecting and indexing logs generated by the MuleSoft application, Mule application. And in log management, MuleSoft generates a significant amount of data or huge amount of data, so which can be challenging to manage. But after using Splunk provides centralized log management and different types of indexing, so making it easier to search, correlate, and analyze logs for troubleshooting and performance optimization. So there are different types of characteristics like security and compliances. So in security and compliances, Splunk helps organizations maintain the security and compliances by allowing them to monitor and audit MuleSoft activities and data log. After that, insight into API usage, performance optimization, capacity planning, real-time dashboard and reporting, troubleshooting and debugging, and there are many more other characteristics. So like in performance optimization, by analyzing logs and metrics, data Splunk can help identify the performance and area for improvement in mule application, in any mule application. This allows for more efficient resources, allowing and improved our system performance. So this is the what is the Splunk tool used, or how we can use Splunk in MuleSoft. There are some points here. So in this session, we will see how MuleSoft Splunk integration, configuring using Log4j, and add different type of Maven dependencies in our application pom.xml file. After that, how to installing Splunk, then sending logs of Splunk to Mule application. So I will show you first this documentation. So here are some configurations, like we need to configure some type of host name, port name, token name, and different type of dependencies, and in log4j and also in pom.xml file. So this is the some screenshots, like configuring Splunk token. Then how we'll create this username and this password, we will see in this session. After that, we will need to different types of settings, data inputs in Splunk. After that, we can see how can we create token by using default values or custom values also. After that, we will create our token, our default host name, port name, source type. We will see what is the source type and how to create token, then how to add these dependencies, this log4j file, different types of appenders. These all are, we will see, add dependencies in pom.xml file. Once all the above configurations are done, then our application is ready to send logs to the Splunk. So we will see after that, we will create one POC or one simple demo API so that after this, we will see how can we send our Mule application logs into Splunk and how to check the search and monitoring option also. So this is the documentation. First we need to go. Okay. So first what we will do, just go to the Chrome or Microsoft Edge and just copy or put URL like www.splunk.com, and after that you will see the Splunk page like this. And after that, go to the product, this product field, and click on this Splunk Enterprise, and after that you will see this type of Splunk page. So to start your free trial Splunk, you can use one email ID. After that, your password, and any password you can put here. Your first name, you need to write your last name here. Your job title, like developer or software engineer, like this. You need to mention your phone number. After that, your company name, your country name, your zip code or postal code. After that, click on these two buttons and click on this create your account, and after that you will see your Splunk account, free trial Splunk account created. And after that, here are one option appear. You can see one option like download, so click on this download option, and some windows are appearing, some windows will appearing, and click on this windows to next, and after that click on the finish button, and you can see in your local like this Splunk Enterprise. You can see this Splunk Enterprise like this. After that, if we will click on this open button, then it's look like this. This is our Splunk Enterprise. So I will show you. So first we will create, I will show you, okay, how to create token. And this token we will use in our log4j file in any point platform. So click on this setting button, go to this data input. After that, click on this HTTP event collector option. Click on this. So you can see here are two tokens I have created earlier. So if we want to create new token, just click on this new token. After that, we need to mention our token name. So give the name demo token. After that, no need to change all these options. Just click on this next button. So after this, click on the select button, select source type. Click on the select source type and write here log4j. So this is the log4j. Click on this. So here are our source type selected log4j, which is log4j. Okay, so now we want to create our new index. So all these things, our source type, our token name, our token number, and our new index, we will create. We used in our log4j file in Anypoint Studio. So click on this, create a new index, write your name. So any name you can give one, like mule index. So no need to do any change here. Just click on this save button. And here you can see your available indexes are here. So click on this mule index and this is added. After that, click on this review button. Input type token. Your token name is demo token. After that, allowed index, mule index, default index, all again mule index. Our source type is log4j. Click on the submit button. So you can see token has been created successfully. So this token, copy this token, and this token we will use in our Mule API. So that's the process. We can create our token in Splunk Enterprise. So coming to the Anypoint Studio. So here we can create new demo API. So click on File, New, Mule Project. Here, Mule Splunk. Okay. And click on Finish button. It will take some time.
In Splunk, how much time we can store our logs?
Sorry, Nagendra.
In Splunk, how much time we can store our log files?
Yes, we can use Splunk because we want to store our logs here.
How much time we can store in it?
Okay. Okay. How much time? So this is some different types of paid packages. Okay. So this is our free trial account. So in this free trial account, we will access 3 months. Yeah, 3 months. Yeah, we can use this free trial account for only 3 months. But in our organizations, Splunk provides some paid packages. Okay, so our big organizations or MNCs paid for these packages and store our logs into the Splunk for long time.
Okay.
Okay, so this is our demo API. So first we will need to drag and drop one listener here. First configure our listener. Click on this one. Just give me 1 minute. Sorry guys. So this is our default host and port. Just click on this test connection. Yeah. So test connection successful. Click on this OK button. Just here put slash and API. So this is our path. After that, we will use one logger. So in this logger, we mention any type of message like Splunk API started. And this is the info default level. So here we need to mention splunk.log. So this is our start log. After start log, if we want to this, we will put here also the naming convention like start log. After that, we will use one transform message here. Okay, so in this transform message, first we need to do change this Java into JSON. After that, use this double quotes. Okay, so we will write one message here. So like hello. Hello developers. Welcome to Splunk. Again, we use one logger. So this is our end log. Splunk API completed. End log. This is our end log. Again, the level, default info level. Splunk logger, splunk.logger. Save this. Add one breakpoint here. Okay. So now we will see the main thing. So click on this source/main/resources. Open this log4j.xml file. And after this, I will show you one by one. So this is our form. This is our log4j file. Copy this. Paste it. Okay. I will show you what all things we need to put here. Now open our pom.xml file. Again, this is our pom.xml. Here we need to some Splunk dependencies so that our Mule API can send our logs into the Splunk environment. Copy this again and paste it here. Save it. Okay. So here are some points like in Splunk HTTP. So here name equals to socket. You can mention any type of name. I write here socket. After this URL. Okay. So I will show you. This is our Splunk URL 8088.127.0.0.1. This is our token. This is our index name equals to my index. So we will put here our latest token which we have created. Okay. So copy this. Paste it here. After that, what is our index name? Click on this data inputs. Go to the settings. Click on this data input. Again, go to this HTTP event collector. And after that, we can see our tokens. So this one is our latest token. Okay. Demo token and log4j and mule index. Okay. Our index name is mule index. Status is enabled and 7343. 7C43. So 7343. Okay. And here we need to write mule index. Save this button. Okay. In pom.xml file, we will add some different types of dependencies, which is Splunk dependencies. Here are the repository or dependencies like ID is Splunk Artifactory, name is Splunk release, and URL is https://splunk jfrog.io/splunk. This one is the repository. So using this repository, we can able to send our Mule API logs into the Splunk environment. So just debug this. We will see how it will work.
Where we can find that dependencies.
Sorry, Nagendra, I didn't get you.
Where we can find that dependencies. Splunk dependencies.
Okay, so I will share this documentation. Okay, so in this documentation, I will add all these dependencies, repositories, log4j, and pom.xml. Okay. Yeah.
For every project, we have to create a new code.
Yes. I missed one thing. Okay, so it's deployed. So this is our postman. This is our 8081 host port and slash API our path. So send request. Click on this mule debugger. Okay, so first we see our console. So here Splunk API started and Splunk API completed. I will show you one more thing. How can we see this transform message into the Splunk logs? So just okay. So how can we search our logs? So click on this app, click on this option, search and reporting. In this search box, write index. Okay. So index equals to, in double quotes, write your index name. So our latest index name, mule index. Here we select just last 15 minutes and click on search button. So here we can see Splunk API completed and Splunk API started. Okay. But if we want to see this message also, hello developers, welcome to Splunk. So in the end log, we will do just one thing. We need to add our payload. So stop this, debug this again. It's deploying. Okay, now deployed. Again, go to the postman, send request, Anypoint Studio, complete this. Okay, in our console, message. Now we can see hello developers, welcome to Splunk. Okay, now go to the Splunk. Again. Okay, so now you can see hello developers, welcome to Splunk. Okay, so this is the process. We can send our Mule API logs into the Splunk enterprise. If we want to add here current date, time, or anything like this, so click on this transform message. Click here. We need to concat now function. Okay, so now after the deployment and we will send request from the postman. Then we will see in the message, hello developers, welcome to Splunk, and the current date, time. using the now function. So in this document, I covered all the things. Okay. So I will show you one by one. This is our Splunk Enterprise page. Then see, go to the settings, then data inputs, then HTTP event collector. So one page will appear. Here we can create our new token. So in name, this box, you can write your token name. After that, your token name. This is your token name. This is your token value, your source type log4j, your index name, status enabled. Okay, so I will show you. I will show you one thing like, so go to the log4j. Okay, so this is the URL. Okay, so here I will show you the URL. So go to the setting, data inputs. Again, go to HTTP event collector. So this is one option here, global setting. Click on this. This is the all tokens enabled. And this is our port number. Okay, 8088. And this is 127.0.0.1. Okay, so in our log4j, we already mentioned http colon double slash 127.0.0.1 and 8088 is our port number. So this is our port number 8088. So click on this global setting and you can find your port number. Okay, so this is the enabled status. So in again, click on global settings. So this is the enabled and disabled. So we need to always we need to click on this enabled option and click on this save button. So here, if we can see, our status is enabled instead of disabled. So I will share this document later or in group. This is our basic dependencies and repositories, but there are two new repositories which can Splunk repositories like JFrog Splunk repository, or this one is dependency Splunk.logging, Splunk library Java logging dependency. So we need to add this repository and dependency in our form.xml file, and in our log4j, we need to add URL, Splunk URL, Splunk token index. So anyone has any question?
Can we export those logs to external?
Actually, Nagendra, your voice is not
Hello.
clear. Yeah.
Can is it possible to export these logs to external teams?
Can you write your question in chat box?
Okay.
Is it possible to export these logs to external? So Splunk is external system. Splunk is also external system. Hello Nagin, are you getting my point?
Yes, fine. What I am asking is, can we export these to other teams?
Yes, it is often possible to export logs to external system or storage. The ability to export logs depends on the specific software or platform or service. So you are using to generate and manage the logs. Like if we if we deploy our application in any point platform, okay, in runtime manager, and the runtime manager or platform already have capability like 100 MB, only 100 MB logs platform can store. After that, platform erase all the logs. So what happen? Nowadays, the big organizations or MNCs or banking sector use this type of external systems like Splunk or ELK. ELK are also the same as Splunk, log management system. So nowadays, our organizations use Splunk system to store our logs for a long time. What is your questions like to other teams means?
Like testing teams and other departments, can we share these logs to other teams?
Nagendra, actually, you are not audible properly. Your voice is not coming properly. That's why I'm not getting.
No, he's telling that to the testing teams like that.
Okay, like testing teams.
Yeah.
Yes, yeah. So different types of teams you can provide from your organization the credential, the Splunk credential. So you can all your teams you can use this Splunk account, and you can see all the logs. It's depend on your organization. Your organization can access different types of teams like development team, testing team. He will give you a Splunk credential. So using this Splunk credential, you can use these logs or see these logs or export this log externally also.
Yeah, Nagendra, I think someone posted like, can we mask those sensitive? Like, can we? Let me go through question first. Can we mask sensitive information in Splunk? So that part you need to handle in your code only. So when you are capturing your log, so before capturing, you need to perform some data weave operation. Like we have mask function in data weave. Using that, you can mask your sensitive information and you can log it.
Okay.
Okay, and I think Nagendra, you asked about exporting this log. Yes, there will be option to export the log. You can download the log and like lots of capability. Like whenever we are talking about this log monitoring framework, so definitely it has lots of capability. Like you can filter the log, you can search some using some keyword. Okay, then you can export it. So lots of capability will be there.
Okay.
So Pallavi, are you done with everything?
Yes, Ravi.
Okay. Okay. If we don't have any open question, then yeah, we can end this session here. And let's connect tomorrow for Salesforce part. So we'll just like explain this Salesforce account part and then how to connect with Salesforce. So that part we will discuss
Ravi,
tomorrow.
will you share that
Okay,
customer
fine
ID
then.
details?
Thanks.
Hello?
Yes, Nagendra.
Sorry,
Yeah,
which
Ravi, will you share that customer ID details to create that 6 KPI?
what is customer ID detail? You are saying customer API detail or customer ID detail?
No, no.
Customer ID, one part is pending, right?
Are you talking about email ID?
No, we have created 5 APIs, other one is pending.
Yeah, so registration API you need to work using Salesforce connector. So I will provide you API detail. Okay, and based on that you need to. So tomorrow we will explain like how this Salesforce account, like how to create account and all, and how to perform like insert operation in Salesforce. And later on, I will share one document which will contain all the Salesforce related detail like uh, sorry, that API related detail for the station API, what will be input parameter, what will be output details, everything you will have in that. Based on that, you need to do development.
Okay.
Okay, fine then. So we can end our session for today. Thanks everyone. Let's connect tomorrow on the same time.
Thank you, Ravi.
Thank you. Thank you for
Thank you.
Thank you, Ravi. Thank you, Pallavi.